Hello friends, today we are going to unloading, and this one is dog and next one is giant giraffe. And friends, another one is I think this one is duck, and duck going to unload. And the fourth one is I think, oh my god, this is fox, clever fox going to unload. Friends, next one is hippo, big hippo, and we have unloaded. Next one is friend, this is a ducks, and ducks we have unloaded. And another one is deer. Friends, I hope you enjoyed it. And next one is friends, rhino. After rhino, friends, we gonna unload rooster. This is a rooster, friends. And this is last animals, friend, this is a cow. Uh-oh, sorry friends, some animals are lefted. So this one is a sheep, and we gonna unload, and we unloaded it. So friends, and this is the again deer. There is lots of deer, friends, so we gonna unload it. And I hope there is few animals are left. This one is cute panda. We have unloaded. And friends, next one is horse, so we have unloaded it. And last this one is the giraffe. Friends, now we gonna unload some vehicles, and first this vehicles is monster vehicles, so we gonna unload it. And next one is JCB 3DX machine JCB, friends. We have unloaded, and few are left. And this one is 2022 JCB, we gonna unload. And friends, this is the again JCB. This one is, I think this is roller, friends, and we unloaded it.
Now we gonna unload. This one is blue car.
Next one is green car, friends. Oh my god, yellow car is cute, sexy. Next one, friends, white luxury car. Last one is friend, red beauty and luxury car.